James Allen Nielsen, I vow to love you with all my heart. I vow to be faithful and honest with you. I promise to take care of you in sickness and in health, and help provide for our family in times of wealth, and through all of our student loans. If this year taught us anything, it's that we can get through anything together.
Tell me to calm down. Look all around us here. Fall. It's easy to see from down here. If I'm not swinging, then the war is won. Caught before I'm falling for it all in front of us.
We've prayed for this day for a long time, since you were little. We prayed for a man that would be your best friend, who would share in life's adventures, and we prayed for a Christ-centered marriage. Jimmy, is it your intent to provide for, to protect, to care for, and love Madeline unconditionally?
With all my heart.
I present Madeline to you.
This adventure we get to call our life together, whether it be on a mountain, a valley, a beach, or even Alaska way up there, will be our most worthy challenge and our greatest achievement. I cannot wait to grow together and make the best of this life with you. Maddie, you are the soundtrack to my life. I am so lucky to have you.
Jimmy, I give you this ring as a symbol of my vow.
With all that I am
With all that I am
and all that I have,
and all that I have,
I will honor you.
I will honor you.
By the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church in the state of Nebraska, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Kiss the bride. For the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Nielsen.